Director of Autonomous Driving and Safety Technology. My responsibility is to understand the electronic hardware associated to automotive advanced safety systems. I virtually pull apart various sensors and control units to understand how a small material change can enhance these designs. My team and I have put together a series of web tutorials. We look at materials connected to printed circuit board manufacture, assembly of printed circuit boards, and IC substrate builds. Our goal is to showcase how the proper material choice can deliver the desired performance, enhanced reliability for automotive standards, and deliver more design freedom. I look forward to connecting with you and your teams on these topics and showcasing how material changes will accelerate you on the path to full autonomy and ultimately differentiate you from your competition.